How do you feel with customers filling their carts and leaving without buying? Stop accepting cart abandonment as inevitable. Half of cart abandoners leave because they're just browsing. Generic discounts and pop-ups fail to convert these window shoppers and can even damage your brand image. Imagine offering personalized, time-limited discounts that window shoppers can't refuse. Growth Suite, the AI-powered Shopify app, helps you recover at least 10% of abandoned carts. Here's how. First, personalized offers. AI analyzes visitor behavior, identifies peak interest, and makes a personal offer based on their buying intent. Second, urgency-driven timer. A timer appears on every store page, including product details, cart, and cart drawer, creating urgency with real-time campaign messages. Third, exclusive discounts. Unique, one-time discounts automatically apply to carts. Once the timer runs out, the offer disappears, ensuring exclusivity. No coding required, no theme charges. Just install the app, connect your Google Analytics account with one click, and enjoy a 14-day free trial. Click below to start converting your window shoppers today.